now 6:53, and Kern County residents will have to wait another couple of weeks before they'll get a timeline on when California will be reopening businesses and lifting restrictions on the stay-at-home orders. 17's Taylor Schaub is joining us live this morning in Southwest Bakersfield with a breakdown of what the governor had to say yesterday and that timeline he's presenting. Taylor?
Well, good morning, Maddie. And although Governor Newsom took the podium yesterday offering California's vision to reopen, the lack of a clear timeline left many in the Golden Empire wondering when this will realistically come to fruition. And on the day when the state recorded its highest death total ever, the governor told top health officials, and he outlined a complex set of 6 circumstances that needed to be met for leaders to consider lifting the statewide stay-at-home mandate. These include the ability to better monitor communities through testing and contact tracing, ensuring schools and child care facilities can support social distancing, preventing infection in people who are considered high risk, developing therapeutics, making sure hospital systems can withstand spikes in the number of cases. And Newsom also called these next 2 weeks crucial, saying state leaders need to see the curve flatten and they need to see the number of cases day by day start to decline before they can gauge a better when these stay-at-home orders can begin to be lifted. But he also warned Californians that the state, even when the stay-at-home mandate is lifted, could have a startling new reality.
You may be having dinner with a waiter wearing gloves, maybe a face mask, dinner where the menu is disposable, where the tables, half of the tables in that restaurant no longer appear, where your temperature is checked before you walk in to the establishment. These are likely scenarios.
The governor also adding that large gatherings that bring in tens of thousands of people are unlikely to happen in the summer or early fall. But he does say, like anything with the coronavirus, that could change, but it's unlikely as of right now. In Southwest Bakersfield, Taylor Schaub, 17 News.